Today I am reviewing the Insta360 X5 Starter Bundle. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Hey everyone! Today, we are diving into a comprehensive review of a camera that is completely redefining the action videography world, the Insta360 X5 Starter Bundle. If you are an adventure seeker, a content creator, or someone who just wants to capture their travels without worrying about pointing the camera in the right direction, you will want to listen closely. Insta360 has pushed the boundaries of what a compact camera can do, bringing true 8K resolution into a rugged, waterproof body. Let us break down the technology, the massive low-light improvements, and what makes this starter bundle such a game-changer. Let us jump right into the headline feature, the resolution. The Insta360 X5 captures mind-blowing 8K video at 30 frames per second in a full 360-degree field of view. To achieve this level of detail, it utilizes massive, dual 1.128-inch sensors. If you have used older 360 cameras, you know that reframing a video often meant losing a lot of sharpness. But with true 8K raw footage, you can crop into any specific angle later and still export a crystal-clear, high-definition flat video. The colors are incredibly vibrant, and the dynamic range easily handles tricky situations like shooting directly into bright sunlight or deep shadows. Historically, action cameras have struggled the moment the sun goes down. However, the X5 completely solves this bottleneck with an industry-first triple AI chip design. This powerhouse processing network runs advanced, real-time noise reduction algorithms. Even if you are filming a night walk through a city, an indoor event, or a sunset drive, the AI processing cleans up the grain, leaving you with crisp, usable footage in dim conditions where other action cameras completely fail. One of the coolest features of the Insta360 ecosystem is the Invisible Selfie Stick effect, and this starter bundle actually includes the 114cm stick right in the box. When you extend it, the camera's stitching software automatically erases the stick from the footage. This creates an impossible third-person perspective, making it look like you have a personal drone hovering right over your shoulder. If you do not want to spend hours editing, you can use the brand new InstaFrame Mode. You can set the AI to automatically track you as you move or lock in a fixed angle, getting a ready-to-share flat video instantly. Action footage needs to be smooth, and the X5 handles this effortlessly without requiring a bulky external gimbal. It combines FlowState Stabilization with a full 360-degree horizon lock. You can flip the camera completely upside down, take it mountain biking down a rocky trail, or go snowboarding, and the horizon stays perfectly level and buttery smooth. To match the top-tier visuals, the audio has received a major upgrade. It features a new 4-microphone array equipped with an advanced, physical wind guard. This hones in on your voice and drastically cuts down on wind roar, making it perfect for action sports narration or high-speed vlogging. Physically, this camera is built like a tank. It is natively waterproof down to 49 feet, or 15 meters, straight out of the box with no extra housing required. Even better, it finally introduces tough, scratch-resistant, fully replaceable lens guards. If you take a spill and scratch a lens, you can easily swap it out in seconds instead of sending the whole camera in for repair. Battery life has also seen a massive leap forward, offering a staggering 208 minutes of runtime on a single charge. When you do run low, its fast charging capability gets you back up to 80% battery life in just 20 minutes. To wrap it all up, the Insta360 X5 Starter Bundle is a masterpiece of modern camera technology. By combining true 8K resolution with a triple AI chip for low-light performance, class-leading stabilization, and a massive 3-hour battery life, it sets a brand new benchmark for action cameras. It is rugged, highly intuitive, and eliminates the stress of framing your shot while you are in the moment. If you want the absolute best tool to document your life in third-person majesty, this bundle is worth every single penny.